Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install data packs to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite Minecraft website. For this example, we're using modrienth.com. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Discover Mods, and then click on the Data Packs tab. Now, select the data pack you want to use. I recommend filtering these data packs to the version of Minecraft you're using. Scroll down and where it says Game Version, select your Minecraft version. For this example, we're using 1.20.4. Now that the data packs have been filtered, select the one you want. We'll use the Timber data pack. Click into it. Once you're on the data packs page, click on the Versions tab. You need to find the version of the data pack compatible with your Minecraft version, in our case 1.20.4. Make sure the platform is data pack. To make this easier, you can scroll up and click on the platform drop-down menu and select the data pack filter. You can also change the game version filter as well. This is going to list the correct version for me, so we're going to click into it. Once you've done that, click the green download button and save the data pack to your Mac. I'm saving it to my desktop. Now that we've downloaded the data pack, we need to install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've selected the correct Minecraft version, 1.20.4 in our example. Once Minecraft is loaded, there are two ways to install a data pack, on an existing world, or into a brand new world. To install on an existing world, first select the world you want to install it to. Click the Edit button, then click Open World Folder. A new folder should appear. Click into the Data Packs folder.